Tulsa's top doctor says every time he comes out to try to tell people what's going on, he gets threats. News Channel 8's Maureen Words live tonight at the Tulsa Health Department with more. Maureen.
The fight against COVID starts here at the Tulsa Health Department. And for any indication of how that's going, the Tulsa Health Department is in the zip code 74134. Now, that zip code is one of 3 in Tulsa County that's in the red zone for COVID cases.
I don't want to sugarcoat it, but the virus is winning, and it doesn't have to be that way.
There's nothing sweet about the words coming out of Dr. Bruce Dart's mouth. COVID is thriving in Oklahoma, and every time he comes on TV or talks about it publicly, he's met with threats.
Oh yeah, yeah, and that, and that's I expect it now. So, and it's not going to stop us from trying to do the right thing. It's not going to stop us from trying to impart the right message.
Dart stayed far away from politics, even when others try to drag him in. Type his name into Google. Top searches for him don't have anything to do with the deadly disease he's been talking about for months now.
Well, yeah, it's weird because, all we're trying to do is save people alive, literally. And the virus sure as heck doesn't care what your political leanings are.
Speaking of the virus, consistently high COVID numbers in Tulsa County have Dart worried, especially heading into the holidays where people are sure to get together.
It's family time, and we're all connected to our families. And I don't know about you, Maureen, but I'm not going back to Nebraska for Thanksgiving. And I come from a really large family. And, as I said before, I lost my mom in February. My dad turned 92 on Monday.
Dart saying they're trying to get through to people that COVID is preventable. These deaths don't have to happen, but people have got to choose to do something about it.
There's way too much sadness in 2020, and people have been impacted in a negative way, and we've all lost people. We've all known people who have gotten sick.
Now, just a few minutes ago, the state released their executive order report, which they do about this time every night, and there are now 252 people in Tulsa area hospitals with COVID. Reporting live at the Tulsa Health Department, Maureen Wirtz, News Channel 8.
Maureen, thank you.